What's up, everyone? Got another rainy day, but today we're gonna take advantage of that. We're gonna go do some inside work. I've got a couple branch lines that I need to install into a bathroom on an existing project where the bathroom's being remodeled. So I got a couple of vents we gotta cut in the ceiling, attach the duct over to the main trunk that's already there. We'll get all that done today. For those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Zach. I'm an HVAC company of one. I've been in business for about 6 years now. And basically I do anything from residential to commercial, service, installs, basically anything that has to do with heating and air conditioning. And today I'm going to be going to an existing project that I've been working on, just doing a couple of small things, odd net stuff, adding a couple supply vents to a bathroom that's being remodeled. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, tag along with me, and let me know what you think in the comments.
Good morning, welcome to Starbucks. We're going to get started for you.
Hey there, can I get a tall blonde Americano, and that's it? Just got a call from one of my customers, and they're in need of a blower motor, so I got to run a train, grab that motor for them, and drop it off. I normally don't give them the parts for them to do the work themselves, but it really just depends on the situation and the level of repair. They have maintenance guys there, and they're definitely capable of handling these types of repairs. Especially if I can't get to it right away. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and grab that motor, go drop it off to him so I can continue on with what I'm doing today. This is the bathroom that I'm going to add 2 supply vents to. We got one that's going to be above this window here. And there's also going to be one in between those 2 windows there. There's also a second bathroom around the corner that I'm going to be adding a supply vent in as well. And then we got the 2 bathroom exhaust vents that I need to put the grills on for those. I'm out of breath just going up those steps. You start exercising more. While I'm here, I'll show you, this is a walk-in closet. One of the many ductless zones. So that'll condition that space. There's also a high wall for the kitchen downstairs where I did the gas piping for the range and the vent hood. And then there's also another high wall that's down in the basement area, which is a finished basement that they are currently living in while this whole house is under construction. Perfect. Stay. So we should be good. 6 inches. That's how I do these. Just bend this side around. And this side has a lip on the top side. It goes over with the grills and the screw tube. All right, so I got 2 out of the 3 supply grills and boots installed. Taking a little break, get something to eat, drink some water, and then I'll go back up there, cut into the 3rd one, and then I'll go in the attic and actually connect all the supply duct to the main trunk, and then those will be wrapped up and be good to go. Those ceiling grills can be kind of tricky to do by yourself. If you notice what I do with the boots, I leave half of the flanges on top of the sheetrock, and then the other 2 flanges I'll cut and wrap around the sheetrock and kind of pinch itself in there so it'll hold it in place. That way when I put the grill in, the screws that I put in catch the sheet metal flanges that are on top, and then it sandwiches the boot and the grill together. That's how it holds it in place. I found that works pretty good. And then before I hook the flex to the top side, I'll just, hit some expanding foam around it, seal it up really nice. When you're doing an existing sheetrock ceiling like that, to me, that's what works best for me. If you guys have any other processes on how to do that, let me know. Definitely be interested. There's my spotter for the last boot. You can hopefully see it there. Awesome. Here's the 3rd supply vent. It's gonna go right there. Oh, what a mess. What a mess. Got all 3 supplies done. Now when I come back next time, I'm just gonna go up in the attic and basically do all the flex duct. I got those 3 supplies to do, and then also have a return I gotta do as well. So I'm just gonna come back and just do it all at one time. I've had enough for one day anyway. So, well, I appreciate you guys watching. Comment, subscribe, do all the things, and we'll see you guys on the next one.